Hey there, fellow eco-warriors. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both mind-blowing and super important for our planet's future: AI-powered greening and robotics. Now, I know what you're thinking: robots planting trees? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a game-changer for tackling desertification and climate change. So, let's explore how this cutting-edge tech is revolutionizing environmental conservation, and why it's a big deal for Bahrain and the world. First things first, let's talk about the problem. Desertification is a real issue, especially in regions like Bahrain, where the environment is already on the brink. But here's the thing: traditional methods of afforestation are labor-intensive and costly. That's where AI and robotics come in. By combining these technologies with edge computing and specialized platforms, we can create a new era of ecological management. Imagine autonomous vehicles, powered by solar energy, continuously patrolling vast desert landscapes. These vehicles are like the ultimate eco-warriors, equipped with AI to evaluate terrain, drill precise seed holes, plant saplings, water roots, and compact soil. It's like having an army of tiny, efficient robots working around the clock to combat desertification. And the best part? They can do it without relying on fossil fuels or manual labor. Now, here's where it gets really fascinating. Countries like China are already making waves with this tech. They're deploying solar-powered robots to plant trees at an astonishing rate of 1 every 5 seconds. That's right, in just a few seconds, these robots can do what it would take humans hours. And the results are impressive: reduced costs by 30% and increased productivity by 10%. Plus, with AI guidance, these robots ensure precision planting and better plant survival rates. But wait, there's more. The global market for autonomous greening and robotics is booming. It was valued at a cool $613 million in 2025 and is projected to reach a staggering $2.832 billion by 2034. That's a compound annual growth rate of 18.5%, which is pretty mind-blowing. And you know what's even cooler? This tech isn't just about saving the environment, it's also about saving money. By leveraging AI and robotics, we can economically accelerate greening initiatives and stem the tide of desertification. So, what does this mean for Bahrain? Well, it's time to hop on this emerging trend. We can deploy large-scale initiatives using autonomous vehicle clusters to halt desert expansion in hyper-arid regions. By running off-grid ground vehicles with onboard photovoltaic arrays, we can create a sustainable and cost-effective solution. And with heavy-lift agricultural drones delivering seedling bundles, we can keep the process going without relying on fossil fuel-driven transport trucks. In my opinion, this is a game-changer for environmental conservation. It's not just about planting trees, it's about doing it efficiently, sustainably, and at a massive scale. And the best part? We're not alone in this. Countries around the world are embracing this tech, and the results are impressive. So, let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible and make a real difference for our planet. Because, in my view, the future of environmental conservation is here, and it's powered by AI and robotics. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace the future of eco-warfare? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.